Namaskar Mitro. Today we are going to talk about the concept of Ubuntu. Ubuntu, Ubuntu, which translated means I am because we are. The concept basically talks about how can I be happy if others are unhappy. So let's understand this concept. This foreigner had gone to a village in Africa and he conducted a small experiment. He collected a lot of fruits into a basket. He basically had put a lot of nice fruits in the basket. And that basket he put, say, under a tree. And then he gathered all the children of that village. He made all the children stand some distance away. And he drew the line from where they all need to start. And then he said, when I say go or when I say ready, all of you run towards that basket. Whomsoever reaches that basket first, whomsoever takes that basket first, he is the winner and he can eat all the fruits of that basket. So the basket full of fruits were put beneath a tree. At a distance, all children were gathered. He drew a line from where they all need to start running. And then he said, okay, ready and go. To his surprise, all the children, what they did first, they first held on to each other's hands. They held on to each other's hands and they all ran together in the direction of that basket. Upon reaching basket, they all circled it together and they all touched the basket together. And they all ate the fruits of that basket together. They all were happy, enjoying the fruits of that basket. Amazing, isn't this? So, the foreigner asked, any one of you could have run faster, he could have reached or she could have reached fast, grabbed the basket and he could have eaten the whole fruits himself. To that, a small child told him, how can I be happy when others are sad? I repeat, how can I be happy when others are sad? This is the concept of Ubuntu. How can I be happy when others around me are sad? Very powerful learning, very powerful understanding. It talks about happiness for everyone. In this competitive world, in this materialistic world, everyone is running towards the success. Everyone wants, I should be happy, I should be happy. I should have this, I should have this. But in the process, are we making others around us unhappy? Take it a household scenario. When the housewife is slogging herself, she is doing all the routine of the house. She is cooking, washing clothes, doing dishes, maybe doing a job herself. And the husband is watching the television all day. Can the husband really be happy when the wife is not? Or in a team where the boss is sitting in an air-conditioned cabin, relaxed, peaceful, and the workers are slogging, sweating, physically tiring themselves for production or for whatever work, can the boss really be happy? Or in a team where we avoid doing a work and we say, no problem, the other person will do it. Meaning, I will not do the work, let the others do the work, let others take the trouble, let others take the efforts of doing the work. Can I really be happy? Amazing concept of Ubuntu. I cannot be happy if others are sad. I can only be happy when everyone is happy. Such a powerful message, isn't it? Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Hope you start practicing Ubuntu in your life too, the way I am trying to practice it. Thank you so much. God bless. Jai Satchidanand.